Did you know one simple mistake could wipe out your entire crypto investment? Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Digital Connects. If you're new to crypto or curious about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and beyond, this video is for you. Today, we're exposing the biggest mistakes new crypto investors make and sharing must-know tips to avoid them. Stick around, these insights could save you serious money and stress. Let's dive in. The number one mistake is not doing your research. First up, the biggest mistake, not doing your research. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Jumping into a coin because it's trending on Twitter or TikTok is a recipe for disaster. Every project has a purpose, a team, and a roadmap. Ask yourself, what problem does this coin solve? Is the team legit? Check their white paper, read their website, and dig into forums like Reddit or Discord to see what the community's saying. Number 2 mistake is investing more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile, prices can swing 20% in a day. Never, ever put in your rent money, savings, or cash you need for bills. Only invest what you're okay with losing entirely. Think of it like going to a casino, set a budget and stick to it. Mistake number 3 is falling for FOMO. Next up, falling for FOMO, fear of missing out. You see a coin skyrocketing, everyone's talking about it, and you feel like you have to buy now or miss out forever. Spoiler alert, that's when you overpay. Chasing pumps often leads to buying at the top, right before a crash. Mistake number 4 is ignoring security. Crypto is digital money, and hackers are everywhere. Storing your coins on an exchange is like leaving cash in an unlocked car. Use a hardware wallet or a secure software wallet for long-term storage. Enable two-factor authentication, not SMS-based, use an app like Google Authenticator. And never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Also, watch out for phishing scams. Fake websites and emails can trick you into giving away your funds. Double-check URLs and never click shady links. The number 5 is panic selling. Last but not least, panic selling. Crypto markets are a roller coaster. When prices crash, it's tempting to sell everything in a panic. But that's often the worst time to sell. Zoom out, crypto has historically recovered from dips over time. If you believe in a project, hold through the volatility or set stop losses to protect yourself without emotional decisions. And there you have it, 5 common crypto mistakes and how to avoid them. If you're new to crypto, take it slow, do your homework, and stay safe. Got a crypto question or a mistake you've made? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.